Now, in this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a closer look at the online shopping business. Andrew Ledley reports.
Since the coronavirus outbreak, merchants have been looking at ways to get grocery items to consumers without requiring them to come in store. Some merchants have turned to curbside pickups, while others are meeting the consumers in their homes through special applications designed for online grocery shopping. Clifton Robinson and Marvin Brown are two software developers who are helping to bridge the gap between consumers and merchants by providing these online shopping solutions.
We have created a website that other supermarkets can use in order to serve their specific clients within their geographical location. And with that also, we have created an app of which customers can use along with a delivery app for persons to make deliveries or to pick up items after they have shopped at a specific location.
The business provides services for clients across the island, but demand has increased since the COVID-19 pandemic. And Mr. Robinson explains that developing an online shopping application comes with its own challenges.
The manual part of the labor is probably the most difficult for us. That is to get the goods up in the system. Right, because we have to visit the supermarket, we have to take note of the items they have. Usually they have a point of sale system that can output that for us in Excel, and we find the images for those products. So if a supermarket has about 30,000 products, you know that's going to take some time to get done. So that is really where the challenge is for us, but after that it's smooth sailing.
A customized software can sometimes cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, but these entrepreneurs noted that they are offering the software at affordable rates so small businesses can benefit as well.
One of the cheapest system of which we have to start off with is our attendance management system, of which starts at $78,000, and then it goes up from there. So that would be the initial cost to start off with an attendance management system, but for other services, it increases.
For those who are selling grown produce, or fruits or vegetables, right? We are considering to provide an application for them as well that they can use and provide to their customers. So when the customers make orders, they can do it through the app rather than through phone call or WhatsApp. And that way, the owner for the business would be better able to go through his or her daily sales records.
It's not only for online grocery shopping. They say plans are already underway to help clients who are interested in offering other services online.
We are considering insurance companies, we're considering schools, with schools or even hotels. So for example, we provide attendance management system for these organizations, and for the insurance companies, it is our intention to at least develop apps of which can help them to collect funds for customers instead of persons have to go into the physical location to make payments for their insurance.
The entrepreneurs also emphasized that consumers can use the application from anywhere in the world once they have an internet connection.
We have created our platforms to make it compatible with smartphones, so it is easier for persons to basically utilize such. So yes, they have to get their data from whether digital or Flow, or whichever service provider they choose.
Andrew Ledley, TVJ News.